Dumbbell hip hinge. Tripod position of the feet, nice and stable, about shoulder width apart right here. Then you're gonna push back those hips, long spine, open chest, shoulders out of your ears. I'm really pushing my butt back, creating that open space back here in the butt. Slight bend in the knee. I'm gonna pick up the dumbbells, breathe in, keep them close to the shins, stand, bringing them to the side. Front view, reset. Slight bend of the knee. Don't overextend your back. Puts too much pressure on that lumbar spine. Find neutral, relax.